Papa Alpha, have a nice tower, transitions improvement.
Hello guys, I am at Signature West now with Tumagiardi. So we are flying to St. Anna with the Citation 5. So join us with our flight. Come on, we do a pre-flight first. Orange Anna is in the Orange County. Is about like an hour, 45-50 minutes from Venice. So we're going to fly with the Citation 5. I'll be the captain today. It's nice weather. So here we are in the hangar, and then this is a 560 Papa Alpha, and we get to pre-flight this airplane. So this is the cabin in the cockpit of the Citation 5. Very nice airplane, 45,000 feet ceiling for cruising. Can load about 11 passengers total. But it's 24 volts minimum. Let's check the lights. Lights on, lights on. Guys, now I'm in the cockpit. So this is my flight plan by flightplan.com. You're flying to St. Anna, and that will take like 40 minutes, 9,000 feet. The St. Anna plan is we're using the Newhall 9 departure, and this is our route. From Venice departure, we go Newhall. It's heading 163 airborne until DME 2.2 Venice, and then we are heading 113. Expect weather factor. We join to EP, Twine, Lange, and then we continue as per this flight plan. Twine, and then Lange, Chemo, and then after Chemo we get weather factor for Seal Beach. This is what we expect. ILS to 0 at St. Anna. Our initial approach fix will be Sager, but we're coming from Seal Beach, so we expect weather factor from here and coming to join the final approach course 196, and then initial final approach fix is Lemon intersection, DME 7.8, and we descend, follow the glide slope until 255, then we land. So that's the plan today. ILS St. Anna, we already set in for flight plan filed, and the chart is here, so we're ready to fly. Enjoy.
Citation November 560 Papa Alpha, like an IFR to Sierra November Alpha.
Citation 560 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys, clearance cleared to John Wayne Airport via the Newhall 9er departure, Twine. Victor 518, Chemo, Victor 459er, Seal Beach, direct, climb B the SID, except maintain 4,000, expect 9,000, 10 minutes after departure, SoCal departure frequency 134.2, squawk 4727.
560 Papa Alpha, clear to Santa Ana by the Newhall 9 departure, Twine, Victor 518, Chemo, Victor 459, Seal Beach direct, climb by the SID, except maintain 4,000, 9,010, 134.2, 4727.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, verify, SoCal departure frequency 134.2, squawk 4727.
134.2, 4727, ready.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, read back correct, contact ground point 7.
Thank you.
Battery on?
Battery on.
Morning ground, citation 560 Papa Alpha, signature west with Kilo, got the clearance.
Citation 560 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alpha Romeo.
34 left via Alpha Romeo. Thank you, sir. Papa Alpha.
Alright.
127 Mike Charlie at Castle Cook, taxi.
Clear right, clear right, clear left.
127 Mike Charlie, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alpha Romeo. Follow citation, join an Alpha just off your right. Alpha Romeo, 34 left, behind the citation, 7 Mike Charlie. C11 clear line, taxiway Bravo, Bravo 1, wind 340 at 13. That's ground Gulfstream. 284 Charlie, Charlie with Kilo 63s for taxi. Gulfstream 284 Charlie, Charlie, Van Nuys ground, wind 340 at 12 altimeter 3001, safe position. 01 signature east, we have Kilo Charlie, Charlie. Gulfstream 4 Charlie, Charlie, wind 34 left, taxi via Bravo Romeo. Bravo Romeo, 34 left, Charlie, Charlie. Ground Gulfstream 27. Contact tower 119.3 and they'll have some further instructions for you. We'll see you. Okay, well, Alpha, access to Mike and we'll hold for sure, Charlie. Jet 715, Van Nuys Tower, runway 34 left, clear to land. Traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, helicopter southbound at 1,600. For last 3 full out, Jet 715. Jet 715, traffic no fact. Station 560 Papa Alpha, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, wind 010 at 10.
01010, clear for takeoff, 34 left, Papa Alpha, thank you.
Final checklist. Final checklist. Okay. Check flaps.
Check 5 at Go Foxtrot. Sorry, turn left base, runway 34 left now. Thank you for the help. Traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles north now, helicopter 1,700 indicated.
Yeah. That's good. Setting across. Again. Power set. Okay. Airspeed alive. Okay. 80 knots. Okay. V1. Rotate. Voice brake.
566 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys Tower, transitions approved, Van Nuys altimeter 3000. Thank you. Station 0 Papa Alpha, contact Hotel Departure.
Thanks, sir. Citation Papa Alpha out of Van Nuys, climb into 4.
560 Papa Alpha, Hotel Departure, radar contact, time maintain 5,000.
5,000 Papa Alpha.
$5,000.
Ocean 00 Charlie, climbing, correction, turn right, heading 010.
010 heading 00 Charlie.
Good job,
00 Charlie, contact hotel 124.6 and proceed direct flat system and navigation.
24-6 direct flap, 00 Charlie.
0 Papa Alpha, turn left, heading 090.
090, Papa Alpha.
No, 25-8 for 0 Charlie.
00 Charlie, 24.6, sorry about that, 24.6.
24-6.
Maintain 5,000, well done, 5,000. Cruise checklist completed, Captain.
0 Papa Alpha, climb maintain 9,000.
9,000, Papa Alpha.
Say 9,000. Set me up, 9,000.
Set me up, then.
How do you select, ready, go up, 100.
0 Papa Alpha, contact hotel approach 124.6.
246, thank you, Papa Alpha.
0 Papa Alpha approach.
Yes, sir, 9,000, Papa Alpha.
0 Papa Alpha, once again, altimeter 29er, fly heading of 160, back to the final, and set to maintain 8,000.
160, 8,000, Papa Alpha.
Up to 480, cleared our TV waypoint. Turn TV for Champlain 48. I'd like to get flight following, SR 22 Golf at 5,500 Montgomery to
There's also resume navigation.
And approach King Air 950 Mike Bravo, checking in 8,500, descending like in ILS practice, to 30 Long Beach into Quebec.
0950 Mike Bravo, says covered, one default for 29er.
0 Mike Bravo.
No, you're right, absolutely right. Like 119, 6, 11, 75. You're looking good, 5 minute video.
560, Papa Alpha, 5,000, airport inside Lima.
0 Papa Alpha, SoCal approach, reduce speed to 170, it would be just a minute, I'll expect it to 12 miles final due to a medical emergency inbound.
Roger, copy that, 170, Papa Alpha.
5,000 maintain.
Solid 6521, out of turn, John Wayne will be 3 o'clock and 10 miles.
Airport's inside, south of 6521.
6521, clear visual approach, runway 20 right.
Clear visual 20 right, south of 6521.
Number 0 Delta Kilo, descend VFR to 4,000, this is vectors for the straight in, turn left, heading 070.
Down to 4,000, and one more time on that thing for 0 Delta Kilo.
0 Delta Kilo, left turn, heading 070.
Yep.
Left 070, 0 Delta Kilo.
Yes sir, this is vector sequencing for the straight in.
Checklist completed.
0 Delta Kilo, runway 20 right, clear to land, caution with German Embraer departure. 20 right, clear for takeoff, 0 Delta Kilo.
Beautiful, right about there.
0 Delta Kilo, runway 20 right, clear to land. Sorry about that. Say clear to land, 0 Delta Kilo.
All the gliders still up, CC capture.
Yes.
Stay there. Match it. That's it, right there. You got it, beautiful. Good glide slope, good localizer.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, disregard the speed restrictions. Your number 2 following a Piper on a 1.5 mile final, runway 20 right, clear to land, spacing fine.
Roger, behind the Piper, clear to land, Papa Alpha, thanks. 20 right.
Central aircraft transmission, Mike's current, wind 230, 6 altimeter 29er, Mike.
999 set, you're good. On the glide slope, on the localizer. Speed looks good. On the glide slope, on the localizer, 1,000 to touchdown. Check this.
0 Delta Kilo, ready to work. ACI, we'll jump off here at hotel, if that's what you want.
Any jet you fly in.
John Wayne Tower, good morning, citation 53 Charlie Fox,
That's perfect, right there. Right on the glide slope, right on the localizer. See, it comes in itself now. Look outside.
Look outside.
Perfect. That's the way I want it. You still IFR though. You still IFR.
500.
500, that's the touchdown. 200 to minimum, Captain. Check. IFR, still IFR. On the glide slope, on the localizer. On the glide slope, on the localizer. 100 to minimum, continue approach. Still IFR, don't look out. 50 feet to go, still IFR. 250. Okay, right about here. Clear of the clouds. You see that way?
Hold on, son. Continue.
Continue. Clear the line. Lower the nose. You can do anything you want right now. It's yours.
French by 268, John Tower at Lima, cross line 20 left, hold short, runway 2 ready. Citation 0, Papa Alpha, turn left to Echo and Catacomb.
Right there, Fox.
16 on touch.
John Wayne Tower, flight 572 is outside lemon for the visual 20 right.
Push it 572, John Tower, runway 20 right, continue traffic will be home position.
20 right, continue, flight 572.
Frontier flight 268.
Ground citation, Papa Alpha, taxi to leading edge.
Calm ground 132.25 again.
560 Papa Alpha, off at Fox, taxi to leading edge avionics.
560 Papa Alpha, Joe, we got taxi, Bravo to parking.
Bravo to parking, thank you.